Welcome to my channel today. Let me show you how you can make up to $500 to $1,000 monthly writing articles for people. Like, remember, a lot of people have blog. You don't even need a blog of your own. You don't need a website of your own. It's a global website and it has been tested. Now you can earn up to $3 per 1,000 views that you get. That means if you have 10,000 views on your articles, you will make about $30. But if you subscribe, because they have the free plan and the subscription plan, that means the free plan, if you register, you get paid up to $3 per 1,000 views on your story, on your article. Or if you subscribe, $9 per month, okay, your subscription is $9 per month, you get paid $6 for every 1,000 views on your article. Now imagine writing about 5 to 10 articles every day. Now stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you a trick, a way that you will get articles for free. You don't need to sit down, you don't need to start typing, you don't need to start writing. Under 10 minutes, under 5 to 10 minutes, definitely you'll be publishing one article. That means in 1 hour you can publish up to 6 articles. Imagine having 6 articles every day. In 1 month, you are going to make thousands of dollars from your articles. So that's why you need to watch this video to the end. But before that, please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Remember, we have different ways of making money, and I also publish some videos about website that can give you money for free to start up whatever you want to do. So you can check my channel and watch some of these videos. Now let us focus on what we're here for, which is making money writing articles. Now all you need is write a good articles, but I'm going to tell you the truth. Focus on articles that have meaning. Definitely business article, National Geographic article, and of course good articles. Now what would they pay you? People are reading articles, people are reading stories from this website, and definitely they are running adverts on their site and they are making income. That is why for every 1,000 views they are ready to pay you up to $3 per article. But I'll be truthful with you, like I said, up to $3 per article. Now when I tried this, I actually published just 5 articles. Okay, published 5 articles and I left it. After 1 month I was able to make about 10.50 cents, yes, with my 5 articles. I was like, well, I didn't get much for me, but I was like, okay, if I can publish 5 articles and I was able to earn 10.50 cents, $10.50, it means if I can publish up to 5 articles every day in 1 month, every day 5 articles every day in 1 month, that means $10.50 times 3 times 30, that should be about almost $350. Okay, that's about $350 publishing just 5 articles. Now if I go ahead to start publishing 10 articles, I'll be earning about $700 every day. But remember, I can publish 10 articles in 1 hour or maximum 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. That means you can still be doing your day-to-day job. This should be a side hustle. Please, this should be a side hustle. So you can do this whenever you have time. It's a global website. They accept every country. So you don't need to worry about if they will accept your country, especially those in Africa and some Asian countries. And like Nigeria, you can work on this. And I'm going to paste the name of the website on the screen, and the site is VOCAL.MEDIA. Yes, that's the website address, VOCAL.MEDIA. Or you need to go there, sign up and start writing articles. Write good quality articles. You can check other people's articles and see what they wrote. Okay, you can see how many articles other people have actually published. But like I said, for 1,000 views you get paid up to $3, and if you subscribe to their plan, you get paid up to $6 for 1,000 views. So imagine having 10,000 views on your article. That should be about $60 if you subscribe, and that should be about $30 if you are not if you didn't subscribe. So VOCAL.MEDIA, yes, VOCAL.MEDIA is a website that will pay you for writing articles. Like I said from the beginning of the video, that I'm going to give out a bonus on how you can get articles without writing, without having to waste much of your time. Now, this is how it works. You can go to Google, search about a particular topic that you want. Let us say you want to write articles about how to start up a small business or business ideas. When you go to Google and you search about this, you can see different write-ups from different people, Pinterest, Google, blogs. Then all you need to do is copy that particular post. Then I'm going to paste another website right now, which is phrase.io. This website helps you translate everything you paste, all those articles that you copy. It will translate it so that it will remove all the copyright. It will rewrite it. Okay, it will rewrite, yes. Phrase.io will rewrite that article that you copied, that article you copied from a particular website, into original articles of your own. That original articles of your own is what you are going to copy and publish on VOCAL.MEDIA. Okay, and in my next video, I'll also be talking about how you can watch YouTube videos and get paid, or how you can get articles from YouTube and make a lot of money using this website, VOCAL.MEDIA. So if you're a good writer, or if you're a blogger, you have a blog website, you still want to make extra income from other sites, like blogging on your own particular website, while also blogging on VOCAL.MEDIA, making extra money every day. Imagine publishing 10 articles every day. That's about 300 articles per month. Imagine you are being paid $2 for every article. That's about $600 if you get 1,000 views. Imagine some of them hit 5,000, 100,000, 50,000, 10,000 views. You'll be making thousands of dollars from VOCAL.MEDIA. Yes. So the website is on the screen. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Like I said, we'll be publishing different ways on how to make money and how to get free money to start up whatever you want to do. Once again, thank you for stopping by.